Ka Meghalaya Swimming Association MSA kala aya ka kitbok kit riang ya kisan ngut kinong yelek kai ki jongka kiban lej ban mi khmat ya ka jela sha ka jinya kop jingi bala tip ya ka kum ka 78 Senior Swimming Championship 2025 ka balong ha Bhubaneswar Odisha. Kini kisan ngut kinong yelek kai kiban mi khmat ya ka jela sha ka ne ka jinya kop kilong uklerik Jaden Wanyang uban ya khun ya ka sanpo bat shispa meter breaststroke Sean Maxwell dingdo ha ka shispa bat arspa meter freestyle anahat alawat ha ka sanpo meter freestyle bat sanpo meter backstroke Sumar Biang Maulong kan ya khun ya ka shispa meter freestyle bat sanpo meter breaststroke Nazarene Paryong sanpo meter freestyle bat sanpo meter butterfly. Ha shua pa kani ka kenhuan kan mi ban le ya khun sha ka te ka lumpung kala don ka jinga kendu lang hapung jingi krinolin ha ka balawan ban ya don lang ki khot ka MSA hapo ka jinga lam u president u jongka u ba yan lingdo secretary ba bai ka lingdo bat ki wei pat ki khot lembat ki kimi ki pa jong ki khna haba kren bat ki nong thok khubor u ba yan upun pau ba ka ne ka long sa ka wei pat ka kabuk siar ya ki ni ki sangut ki khna ba kin yo ban lej ban ya shimenta sha ka ne ka jinga kom da ka ba ula pentip ba kini ki bale yeshim menta syak ni ka dempung ki deiru ki khna ki bakum ka sunjok kala dep bakan jet lupa ya ki bat kumju ya ki weipat bakin longkum ki no ya lekai ki badang syak pentebet shu ya lade ban mi khmat ya ka jella ha ka por baka penlong ya ka national games ka ba live khandai house nam arhajar arpunyo ka banlong ha ka ne ka jella Uba ian upun pauru bakum ka senjok kam khmi lenti than na kini ki khna khamtam ya kata ka jingjom penban usngo ba ka jingyo lat baneshim ta ka jongki klempep ka diai perang bat bakan sain dur ya ka jing imele kai ka jongki nalor kata ula benra bana kaliang ka senjok kala dep bakan pha yala ka jong ka kaipot ka bay debet ka jimpun kre ka jongka ban sei madan ya ki samla ban mi khmat ha ka national games house nam arhajar arpunyo ka ba ha ka ni ka kaipot ka senjok kala tho shai ya ki babun ki jingdon kam
ini ki kena balik mentang ikun khop ya langut ki simrang argut bintai ya ka senior 78 National Aquatic Championship ka banong po Bhubaneswar Odisha begini berok ki ba job apa event lajong Kumantau Cleric is a breaststroke champion. Sean is a champion in butterfly stroke. Sumar Biang she was one of the best athletes. Nazarene di belang thamai from class 10, but she has performed extremely well. Ini about 3 to 4 gold medals apa kategori juki. Tikini anahat pada udi backstroke specialist tu lah daya cakap. Kini ki athletes bangi lah jet lupa mentah ke national games. Buka benlong ha arhajar arpunyo hone po Meghalaya. Tinggi lah penkret lupa kini lalu mentah. In fact lalu ba yo hi ya kata ka iu mo ya kata ka bid for the national games. Te kini in train yaki in expose yaki in national championship, regional championship. Yaki ingin pun kishu kin lombe as a team, as a group, as a athletes kin yo ya kata ka training ko bajanai but ni kerman ba kini hi kin wanra ya kata ka nam ya ka state. Te lada ya keren ya kata ni expect hi ba kin perform well at least kumangi Syam hagini ki snam baladam ki athletes ki balik miswaru ki la improve ha timing la jong even though the competition is very tough for international mo nomor ba PE hi ba ki khna jungi kimdan kata ka facilities hangne ha po jala jungi ki practice ha 25 meters pool whereas ya ka competition bre ki conduct ha po Olympic size pool ka ba sanpo meter ka Olympic size pool lada phimla ban practice ha ka 50 meters Kumenta pi mare 100 meters. Pi practice ha 50 meters track. Kumno philaman pen jana susu pen dream susu ilade ban job ya taka sport mo. Te kini gi practice 25 meters pool ka madal apoy step de gyap jingi ha 50 meters pool. Te kini kalong ki ka ba penduko ya ka ability jongki. Te ngi kwa hi ba kin yo kata exposure bagin yo jingi ha 50 meters pool ke kelang ba kat ban poi ke national games kin la ban adapt themselves ban yo kata experience ban jingi hakata kurkom ba kila ban compete bat kiwe na kiwe gijela ka government ko support bet ini ka bide ba state championship ka bide bat ka kini ki national aquatic championship mo te nakaliang jongi ngila ai ko proposal te lada tambah 50 por kendiat nomor PTP ke process is a long process te jingi rap ngiyo kata support in fact mentang team preparation ru recommend ba ngiyo kata solid support naka government kumbakalong mentah hak South Rig ini kendu hapo state convention center hak ba ke swimming association ru kedi gawai naki taki kunhon kiban yo ta ka jingi rap nako mentah team preparation pokok surkar ngila ai ke proposal ba nadong sedong ba include ba kontop ya ka contract but ki coaches armut ki coaches have swimming but have diving te ban your exposure trip ru seki 50 meters pool bangin ya your training for 50 meters pool yakini kena jungi kini sangot tambah kidang donsu kiwi kiban bala sajit mantap ka national games kaban long hang ne po jelajungi te kum kita ki ba nila po kita ki support staff kum ki physiotherapist ki nutritionist kum kita ki boro tingi ai kita proposal ba ngikermen ba ka sarkar ru ka krapet kita ki boro ba ka shong ki start jongka kumno kan ai kata support ini
kita di Nazrin Pariang na kesemangka jangan kali makinci bak masak sendiri kani kali ngan netizen ya ka national state Indonesia bak kita jangan kendai ka butterfly 50 meter bak freestyle 50 meter dia kani kali ka sini ka bingkong ya bak netizen ya ka national game bak na ayu ibu dan katanya ibarat nakwa menimbe das jangan keputusan dulu pada MC mana cabinet stay
kon nak sodin do koningkong ko ai jikblay yublay ai boring ini sajet mai ka MSA ru bakani jit ini ne menyelek mentah-mentah de events mga simbenta ka de ka 4 meter baka 4 meter freestyle kini di sin ka bar ke sim ningkong de ko Bangalore ka ko araja ko minta ham practice bhai hi daripada mentang sim tang balik sim experience mentah di hadian habut bidang one shoot competition yang lek bahasa shoot keporting practice baham city make practice
hai ke japai
bot tunat
angkani ke pul siapa
she one sin to sin tayo she one expectations one mentah kamda hai than daripada ni expect ba ni learn bha ka competition one mentah but ni lek bah competition one hadian habut
Keketing cuma di Sumarbiang Maulong, na di nalat mosia kasih nongkai cuma, dan mentang asal jadi akan ni bangan lek sebentar ya ka naga state, sebentar akan ni ka national game kebanong ha Odisha, adu aquatic adu aquadric, dan kebanong ko ya soban ayu you play bola ada rengkat bat ni, banyak nak banong kumpulan itu, ban ayu play ru ya ke MSA bakala jet ini kumpulan atlet Sunward banyak lek sebentar ban represent the state, ngaruh ban sebentar kan ya sim ya ka 50 meter breaststroke bat ya ka 100 meter freestyle kani kam desyo ka sen ka baningkong ya ban kai national kari ka sen ba bat ka sen besar bat ban represent ka state ngakermen ba wala dang job ya ngadam nilai but I'll give my best.
Thank you everyone. My name is Kirik Din Wanya. I am a former student of BK Victoria, age 18. So first and first, I would like to give my sincere gratitude to the Meghalaya Swimming Association for giving me and my swimmates the opportunity to participate in the National Aquatic Games once again. This time there are 4 of us coming from Chunot Leisure Centre representing Meghalaya at the championship. And I would just like to say that this is my 3rd time participating in this championship, and I would say that it is going to be very challenging given the fact that I did not have quite the practice which is required, so to say, to participate in this championship with full strength. However, this does not mean that I will not give my best. I would certainly give my best, and I hope that the experience that I will gain from this championship in Bhubaneswar, Odisha will be one that is memorable and building. Thank you.